Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Hi friends, today let us gain knowledge on test case review process and review ethics. In STLC, the third phase is test case development. As part of this, we create test cases. After test cases got created, it should be reviewed. It should be reviewed with review ethics. Once the test engineer creates the test cases, he will forward that test cases to the reviewer. In review process, there are mainly two types of review. One is reviewed by the peers and second one is reviewed by the team lead. Today, let us look into these both of the review process. The first one is reviewed by the peers. Reviewed by the peers means it will get reviewed by our colleagues, maybe of the same experienced persons. So in this, in the review focus will be whether the test cases are easily readable and easily understandable. Whoever the new tester enter into the company, they should go through the test cases and able to understand the functionalities, how data flow will happen, how the navigation will happen in the application. In this point of view, test case will be reviewed by the peers. Coming to the second review, that is reviewed by the team lead. The team lead will focus whether all the functionalities are covered. For every functionalities, a test case is made or not. All the test conditions through which a functionality can be checked are covered or not. So the team lead will focus whether all the test conditions or the test scenarios is covered in the test case or not. You will much focus on it, the quality of the test cases and the coverage of the test cases. And he also checks whether requirements are getting duplicated. That means the same requirement, the same type of test case is maintained or not. Sometimes they are writing the 100 test cases, maybe the 25th test cases and 75th test cases will look similar. You should avoid the duplicates. And it may be reviewed by the peers or reviewed by the team lead. Both the reviewers have to follow review ethics. The first and foremost, the most important point is you should see the content, not the persons. Sometimes the test case will be returned directly to test managers. When the test lead or a test engineer is reviewing, should not mind that it was reviewed by the very senior person than him. You should see the content and also should not waste his time in correcting the mistakes. Should just give comments about the mistakes. He had to just point out the mistakes. His intention should not be correct the mistakes. His intention should be point out the mistakes or intimate the mistakes to the author. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey. And also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.